Hello and welcome to a quick unboxing of the RTX 3070. I somehow managed to snag one from Best Buy. It's all scuffed and dashed. Alright, that's the RTX 3070. It's not the most pristine box they gave me. In fact, it's kind of dinged up in the corner. But you know, we did it. Cool. A lovely assistant. And if it would slide out, please slide out. It's supposed to be quick. I'm cold out here. Come on. Oh boy. Oh, well, it smells fresh. Got little indentations of like where it was in there, and yeah. I see the 12-pin connector in there. This is very low profile, like. It is a heavy boy, though. Oh, that is a chonker of a thing, jeez. Like, look at this thing, jeez. Got the nice, but the fancy anodized, I don't know what it is, like anodized? Whatever, the concentric circle looking thing on the fan spokes. You got the 12-pin. We'll see how that works. You can see it right through the thing right here. PCB is nice black, which is interesting. And yeah, that's the GPU. I'm gonna set this right over here. So I think the yeah, here's a 12-pin. So the 12-pin's in here. That's one 8-pin, a 12-pin. Which, funny enough, now I'm looking at it, only has half of the pins connected. Yeah, here we have the 8-pin connector, which is interesting because the MSI custom board, when I know it uses a dual 8-pin connector, it makes it more intriguing is that this only has 2 of the pins inside. Like, look, it's only half. You got a full 12-pin, the new connector they got, and it's only using half of it. So, in terms of power, I think we're going to be a little bit power starved in the Founders Edition, which is a bit of a disappointment, but what you gonna do? It's the Founders Edition. Like, where else am I going to get one? Also, it is the cheapest one because, you know, NVIDIA sells them themselves instead of MSI having to buy it, which is a bit of a pain, but, you know. So, yeah, rest of the box we have marketing. Well, not marketing. It's not marketing, just like legal speak. Support guide, apparently. And a booklet on how to quick start. Put a little PCI cable, you know, basic computer stuff. Just double check. Yes, different languages. Yeah, a little bit sparse in here. I don't know why the booklet's gonna not flat already. Yeah, little PCIe. Put that in there. I don't know that rushed and yeah. So here we have my little brother cleaning out my computer because it hasn't been dusted in about a year, which is quite a while. You just add a little compressor, a little system does it whole thing. And yeah, it's old MSI motherboard. I had an old MSI GPU, which is a 1070. It's like a gaming plus non-overclocked edition, whatever it was. I got it off eBay for like $200. But yeah, it's 8 gigs of RAM, and so does the 3070, which is actually got a bit of an issue because the AMD ones, they give you 16 gigs, which is an absolute godsend. And I wish AMD had better drivers. I know. I'm harping on AMD's drivers. I have issues with them. They won't do HDMI 120Hz on my TV for some reason. Intel drivers works fine. NVIDIA drivers works fine. AMD, I've tried 2 different AMD generations of GPUs. Doesn't work at all. So I don't know what's going on with that. RTX voice doesn't work either. And just overall lack of dev support, which I know it's a bit of a chicken and egg problem, but what you going to do? But yeah, the 8 gigs of RAM on the 3070 is an issue because I'm already hitting that 8 gigs just editing this video. So yeah, there's my 1070 MSI. Get that. And then there's the 3070 Founders Edition. It looks pretty. It runs really cool so far. And yeah, there's two of them. The MSI is massive compared to the 3070 there, and it takes a lot more power. But hey, progress. So here's some benchmark results from Eugen Superposition running at 1080p Extreme. 1070 is getting about 3,000 score, 24 FPS. Meanwhile, the 3070 over here is slamming in dunk with a 7.5k score and well in excess of 50 FPS, which is quite a large increase in score. But yeah, that VRAM limit, NVIDIA, you killing it with this thing. I know they might do a super refresh, and honestly, I'll just flip it then. But for now, it runs nice. I can actually run games at 2K, mostly maxed out settings, and actually use my high refresh rate monitor. But yeah, that VRAM, NVIDIA, killing me here. But yeah, that was a quick unboxing and short review. Just kind of made it in one day. Look, none of this is planned. I have lots of backlot footage to work on. I have school projects to work on. Enough of that. There's subscribe if you want. Terrible marketing, as in, but yeah. There's the review. Enjoy.